Hello. 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 How you doing today? How you doing? How are you? How are you guys?
How are you guys? How are you people today?
How are you people today? How are you people today? How are you people today? I'm gonna eat you. I'm going to eat you. Oh man, you see this pencil? I'm Italian again. Hoi, 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 hoi. Now I'm ninja. Yeah, now, dude, shut up. Okay, my retarded friend is on the phone, see, and he doesn't know how to shut up, so I had to shut him up. And that's how that goes. He's not shutting up. I'm gonna kill him. He's talking about he's sad. And he's talking just like this. I'm sad. I'm so sad. I'm the saddest person in sad. I'm sad. And he's talking about birthday sex. He's like, go ahead, the birthday sex. Yeah, so it's crazy. And I'm being random. And today I got this new jacket, and it looks so cool. You know, it looks so cool. It's like black and has this stuff on it. Yeah, and it's pimp. And yeah, well I don't know about the word pimp, but it's tight. And yeah, and this is a pencil. It is a Dixon Ticonderoga Black HB2. See, look at the pencil. It's sexy. I don't have steady hands either. See, it's all uneven. See, seizure. Seizure. Okay. Yeah. So sad. No. 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 Big boys don't do that.